What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen. It is such a beautiful day. Your girl is about to go in the kitchen.
Want to be independent, yet she can't read and write a sentence.
Guys, look what just came. My YouTube plaque is finally here. Finally made it to the house, and I'm so delighted. Let's take this upstairs. Let my mark out my address because I don't want to drive by. You know what I'm saying? But let's get that out of the way. Take out the address out there. Hopefully that work. But it is here, y'all. It has made it to its destination. Your girl is about to open up this goodies right here. Y'all, I'm so happy, y'all. I'm so happy. It's unbelievable. Yes, hard work and perseverance has finally paid off. Honey, look at that. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. It come well wrapped up too. Well wrapped up, buddy. Well wrapped up. In a plastic bottle. Look at that. Let's see. Oh yeah, it came well wrapped. Bottom box, protection, which was nothing to it, and this little thing, it says recognize your team. Recognize your team. Yes, but you have a little card in there. On the card it just says congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Rick, thank you, Rick. It comes with this little note, well, a little letter in here. And so let's read it together, all right? It says, the YouTube episode. And then it says, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplished. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that the numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. But now I'm gonna forget that, because I'm gonna forget where I come from. Now, each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for the reward. You do it because you have the drive to create and share. And because you found an audience who cares, believe us that when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours truly, sincerely, see how you too. Okay? There it is. Now for the goodie. Now for the good. Now for the good, boo. That's it. Just take that plastic off. Well, the sponge, you have a sponge, some kind of sponge on top of it. And then it's in the plastic bag like so. And there you have it, honey. There you have it. There. Well, over here, sir. Over here, sir. Over there, sir. Over here, sir. Over here, sir. Yeah. Up here, sir. Yeah. There you have it, boo. How to Cook channel. Hope you can see that, buddy. I hope y'all can see that. It says, presented to How to Cook channel for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Oh my goodness, there is so many people to thank. So many people to thank for this, to help me forget this. This comes with blood, sweat, and tears. First, I want to just thank God for giving me the strength every day just to get up and just to make these videos, because it does get hectic sometimes. And most of all, for all my goodies them, that's number one. Yeah, my number one. My day one will ride with me when I have my up days and my down days. And, you know, some days I just don't feel like editing. Sometimes I just feel like uploading nothing, and you be calling on your girl to check on your girl to find out how I'm doing and stuff like that. For my day one, this after my day one, people who just like ride with me no matter what kind of content I share, even if I'm pissed off about something, I come on here rotten, you still ride with me. If I don't upload for like weeks, you still ride with me. People who have the notifications on all the time and just can't wait to see what I'm uploading next. This is for you guys. Big up Joshua. You always have your notification on fleek. Kathy. Oh my goodness. So many of you. I can't even think right now the names and stuff like that. But yo, you know who you are. My day one, my rider, my down. The people who stand up for me when the rude comments come in. You just be down for me. Like, yo, it means a lot, y'all. Sometimes, like I said, YouTube does get stressful sometimes. Sometimes with those negative comments and all of that stuff. People who thought that I wasn't going to go too far, like the ones that know me in a real life, but all with the talk about, oh, me up on YouTube, I'm going like me a celebrity. Hard work and perseverance, you hear me? Your girl is happy, okay? Hard work and perseverance. Let's just say, in order to achieve this, you have to want it, and you have to just block out the haters them, and you just have to block out the negativity and just keep moving. This award is for everybody who keep me grounded. Some other people from Canada, England, Australia, people from Brazil, people from Trinidad, Barbados, people from like US. Good as them, the Jamaican good as them. Big up on us. This of all of the Jamaican goodies, where I try to make a way out of this YouTube life and this YouTube platform. This is for you. You can do it through God who's strengthening you. You can do this. This is for all of the Jamaican good as them. Yes, everybody who show me love every time straight. My love on her. Thank her for just always being there and riding with me and everything else. Thank you for my kids who stand there with me with this YouTube thing. My daughter Jamila, she's the one who started this YouTube thing. She saw something in me that I didn't see. This is for her. Jamila, yes, I thank you. I love you. Thank you, Tashik, for being there for your mommy and say, mommy, yes, you can do it. Thank you for the Vadia that be doing those mukbangs with me. Even though you all don't want to come on camera, you still ride with your mommy. Thank you. Most of all, y'all, thank you for my husband for putting up with me late night editing. I'll be on my computer sometimes 2 and 3 in the morning while my husband is asleep. When he's getting ready to go to bed, I'm just getting into bed, just on editing videos. Thank you, husband, for being there, for riding with me, for understanding my passion for cooking and sharing it with the world. I know it get difficult sometimes, but do know that I love you. Hard work pays off, baby. This is what happens when you keep pushing, no matter what. No matter what the enemy says, you just keep pushing, because where there's a will, there's a way. this right here is great accomplishment. And just thank you guys for loving me the way that you do. Thank you for believing and trusting in my recipes. And there's so much more to come. This is the beginning of the beginning. I love you. Thank God for love and for life. Mama, you would have been proud right now of your daughter. May your soul rest in peace. My cooking comes from you. My inspiration comes from you, Mama. And I love you. Thank you for teaching me your gift of cooking. And that I'm sharing it with word right now. I love you, Mama. I love you, my goodies. I love you, my husband. I love you, everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And yes, we have more work to do, but we're going to do it through Christ, right? Pick up on yourself straight and just turn on those notifications so you can see those uploads. And yes, we are going to do this. That 1 million is coming. So yeah, love you guys. And yes. See you in my next one. Bye.